Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your phone, and discovering that your job no longer exists. Not because your company went bankrupt, not because of a recession, but because an artificial intelligence now does your work faster, cheaper, and 24 hours a day. This isn't science fiction. It has already started. In 2023, Goldman Sachs estimated that AI could affect the equivalent of 300 million full-time jobs globally. Meanwhile, the World Economic Forum reported that while millions of jobs may disappear, entirely new categories will also emerge. But what happens if AI doesn't just change jobs? What if it replaces almost all of them? Let's start with office work. Customer service. AI chatbots already handle millions of conversations daily. Graphic design. AI generates ads, thumbnails, and marketing assets in seconds. Programming. AI copilots now write, debug, and explain code. Legal research, accounting, translation, administration. Automation is already moving in, and it's not stopping at desks. Autonomous trucks are being tested. Warehouse robots already move goods around the clock. AI-powered diagnostic tools can detect some diseases with remarkable accuracy. Humanoid robots are being trained for physical labor. For decades, automation replaced human muscle. Now AI is targeting human intelligence. And here's the economic reality. Businesses don't hire people because they love payroll. They hire people because work needs to be done. If AI can do that work for less money, capitalism naturally pushes adoption. That's the uncomfortable truth. But if millions lose jobs, society doesn't simply continue as normal. Consumer spending collapses, tax revenue drops, governments face pressure to reinvent social systems. This is where ideas like universal basic income become serious policy discussions, not science fiction. A world where machines produce abundance but humans lack purchasing power creates a strange paradox. Infinite productivity, limited consumers. Now, imagine 2040. No taxi drivers, no call centres, few accountants, minimal retail staff, AI doctors assisting healthcare, AI teachers personalising education, AI engineers designing infrastructure. Human work becomes optional or rare. So what becomes valuable? Creativity, human trust, entertainment, leadership? Or do we divide society into those who own AI and those displaced by it? Because history shows technological revolutions create winners and losers. AI may not destroy work completely, but it may redefine what it means to be economically useful. The real question isn't, will AI take jobs? That's already happening. The real question is, when human labour is no longer essential, what happens to humanity? And more importantly, where do you fit in that future?